Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you lock archive chats in WhatsApp. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way, and to make sure you can follow up with me precisely, go ahead and make sure the app is updated for everything to run smoothly again. So once you make sure that is done, or at least have one of the newer versions, quit the store, open WhatsApp, and here let's go ahead and open archive chats by tapping archived in the top. As you can see, I have archived chats that I want to lock here. Even if I tap on those three dots and go to settings from there, as you can see, there's nothing I can do from here. I cannot lock the chats from here. I need to tap and hold on the chat that I want to lock, unarchive it. It's going to show up here once I do. And then from here, I need to go ahead and tap and hold on the same chat that I want to lock that was archived. And then I tap on the three dots that should be in the top right corner of my screen right there. And then I tap on lock chat. I tap on continue. There is a new category that's going to show up in the top that says locked chats. If I want to temporarily hide that button, I can quit the app and then open it again. As you can see, it's not there, but once I scroll down, it's gonna pop up. That's an issue that we need to fix. From there, you need to go ahead and tap on locked chats, complete the security biometric checkup, and once you get to this page, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then go to settings from there. And then here, as you can see guys, hide locked chats and secret code. Tap on the first one and then here tap on create passkey or passcode, and then I'm gonna create a random one just for this video. Once I confirm, I can quit from here. Once I go back to my conversations, the locked chats category is hidden. I need to tap on the search bar in the top and type in my passcode, and then I get the locked chats there. So it's going to be really hidden unless someone knows your passcode and they get a hand of your phone. And that's how can you do it guys. That's how you lock the chats. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.